Today I'm going to show you how to repair your Windows 10 laptop or PC for a Linux install. So we need to make a free space, install a backup solution and make a recovery disk. So if you're looking at your partitions on your hard disk, you'll see something this way. We can right click on a partition, we can delete the partition. We can see that this is our Windows partition, this is the EFI partition. And if we go on to my prepared hard drive, you can see that we've got unallocated spaces where we'll install a Linux distribution. Again, this is the Windows partition that all your information is on. Then this is the backup. We've got macron refrepped. So all I want to do, I want to back up these two partitions to my data partition, that is where all my backups are. In other tasks, we can create a rescue media, that's a rescue CD, DVD or USB. You should do that. Okay, from there, go on to Google and we search how to make a recovery drive for Windows 10. It'll give us all the information we need, and we'll end up using advanced options and the command prompt if we do need to use a recovery disk. Then on your Windows system you need to disable fast boot. And you need to turn off secure boot. Now secure boot is done in your BIOS, so you may have to look that up for your particular PC and laptop.